This Android feature saved millions of lives. If you follow the news even remotely, you probably know by now that Venezuela was hit with a double earthquake. And it is a devastating earthquake, with thousands losing their lives and damage estimated in billions. But what if I told you this Android feature saved millions of lives? People with Android devices were being notified that an earthquake is coming, and many evacuated and went somewhere safe when they saw this notification. So how does it work? So on every Android device, what saved many is down here, the earthquake alerts. And when you tap on it, you're gonna see it enabled by default. And to explain how this works, let me put on my engineering hat. And here's my iron ring. And now I can explain it to you from an engineering perspective. So when an earthquake starts, there are two types of waves that emit from the epicenter of the earthquake. A P wave, a primary wave that goes lengthwise. They are faster than the secondary waves, the other type of waves that we encounter in an earthquake. The S waves, they shake the ground perpendicular to the direction of the wave, whether it's up and down or side to side, causing devastating damage. However, the S waves are slower than the P waves. And there are other types of waves that are generated from an earthquake. However, for the sake of simplicity of this video, what you need to remember is the fact that the P waves are the fastest traveling waves generated from an earthquake, and they cause the least damage as well. And now that we know a bit about earthquakes, we can move forward and talk about how Android detected that earthquake. And it all starts by Android detecting the P waves, the fastest traveling waves, using the accelerometer embedded within every Android device. That information is then sent to Google Cloud Services, and when multiple devices send the same signal to Google Cloud Services, Google, using the magic of algorithm, determines that it's a sign of an earthquake. And that's when Google Cloud Services starts sending those warning messages to Android devices, asking people affected within the earthquake area to take cover or evacuate to somewhere safe. And the entire process takes only few seconds, and Google estimate about 11.4 million Android devices received that warning message. And unfortunately, Venezuela, the country, does not have any government-operated earthquake warning systems. In addition, Apple devices such as iPhones and iPads do not have the same crowdsourced network warning systems, which further limits the number of people who received a warning about the earthquake. And it is an unfortunate event that can happen to any country, and my thoughts and prayers to everybody affected by that earthquake. And I'll talk to you in the next video.